Hello, everyone. Thanks very much for joining us today. Sorry to keep you waiting. Let me introduce Sony Spatial Reality Display. My name is Nick Colsey, VP of Business Development at Sony Electronics. And I'd like to take you through this brand new 3D product. If you have any questions throughout the presentation, please use the chat function and we'll try to answer as many as we can today. Okay, spatial reality display. This is our way of opening up a whole new visual medium of 3D glasses-free imaging aimed at content creators across various industries. And this takes advantage of Sony's expertise in optical technology, display technology, and 3D rendering over many years. So how does this SR display work? So it's a 15.6-inch 3D glasses-free volumetric display, which you use with your PC, at least Core i7, GeForce 2070 Super or above, that level of PC, and running Unity or Unreal. And this is aimed at filmmakers, animators, automotive industry, architecture, product designers, and VR and AR content creators. So let me explain some of the key details about the technology that we're using. So this is really a combination of three unique technologies. First of all, the high-speed vision sensor and eye sensing technology. Second, the micro-optical lens over the display. And third, the real-time rendering algorithm. And let me take you through each one of these. So first of all, the high-speed vision sensor. So this is a sensor that looks at the user's face, recognizes that there's a face in front of the display, and based on the facial features, determines where the eyes are, where the pupils are, to a very high degree of accuracy, and consistently measuring that every millisecond to provide the most complete set of data about the viewing position and the parallax of the eyes. And it's doing this in three axes: vertical, horizontal, and even depth. And you'll see why that's important in a couple of slides. And so we're constantly generating these left and right images based on the position of your eyes, and it does this at a very high speed, giving the final rendered image, very accurate and lifelike display. Next is the micro-optical lens, and so this is a 15.6-inch 4K LCD. So as you can imagine, the pixels on the LCD are very small, and the lenses above the pixels also have to be very small indeed. And these are accurately aligned with the lenses are accurately aligned with the pixels, to give a stereoscopic view. So sending pixels to left or right eye, depending on your head position. We've done this in a way that really almost eliminates crosstalk as you view the image or move your head from side to side while viewing the image. And we hope you get a chance to see the display in person very, very soon. And then finally, the real-time rendering algorithm. So we are the display and the sensor is interacting with the PC and your model in Unity or Unreal, and your model is being re-rendered depending on your eye position and head position in three different axes: vertical and horizontal and depth. So we believe this is one of the key things that makes this display unique and gives a very accurate and high quality image of your work, of your model, regardless of your head position, regardless of how you are moving or how the object is moving. So here's a quick look at what the product looks like. It's a desktop product, so takes up very little space on your desktop next to your monitor and your regular 2D display. Connects to the PC via HDMI and USB. And as I said, it can connect via our SDK with Unity or Unreal, and we're a Unity verified solutions partner. So just to run down what I've explained so far. Here are some of the details of the display itself. 4K LCD resolution, Adobe RGB, 100% is the color gamut, 500 nit brightness, 1400 to 1 contrast ratio, and a lot of this is based on our expertise in Bravia TVs. This comes from the same division that designs those TVs. Has a 2.1 channel 5.5 watt speaker built into it as well, so even your sound can be 3D. And it will be available to order in November at a price of just under $5,000. Available directly from Sony's site, sony.com/SRD. And for those of you who are overseas, this product will be available in the US, Canada, Japan, and also China. So let's go into a bit more depth about some of the use cases and some of the partnerships that we've already forged. Somebody could put their microphone on mute, that would be great. First of all, our partnership with Sony Pictures. So we've been working with them, particularly the producers of the new Ghostbusters movie, Ghostbusters Afterlife, which is coming out next year. And they've been using this display to, as they say in their quote on that slide, bring characters and assets to life. And it's been part of their visualization and 3D modeling process. And we have a great demonstration if you're able to see the product in person, which shows the Ecto car. You can take the dust cover off of the car, you can switch the lights on and the sirens, look inside the interior, spin the car around, and we've built this demo to be controlled by the Leap Motion gesture controller. So it's a really very compelling demonstration of what you can do with this technology. Secondly, we've also been working with Volkswagen. This picture on the left shows their R&D lab in the Bay Area. It shows them using the product and rendering an image of the 2020 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. You can move the car around, look inside the interior, and of course, there are various different use cases for this as part of the design process. R&D, virtual tryout in 3D. And even at the dealership, where a potential customer could configure their vehicle and change colors and interiors, etc. Architecture, clearly lots of applications of viewing a building, exterior or interior or streetscape in 3D before you actually commit to building it. And make modifications and show the clients. And similarly with product design, you can create a 3D model of the product that you're designing before you've actually committed to manufacturing it or making a model of it, and make all kinds of changes and review it from every angle before committing to the next stage in the design process. And then finally, VR and AR content creators. So, if you're a VR content creator and you're developing your work, 8-10 hours a day, you don't really want to be putting your headset on any any more than you really have to. And with the SR display, you can preview your work without requiring a headset. So we think this is a valuable addition to the tools that a VR developer could use. So we have a brief video. Hopefully this plays. Let's see what happens. So we announced this product last Thursday, and already receiving some fantastic press reaction to the many journalists who've seen it. Groundbreaking, said CG Architect. I need this in my life, said No Film School publication. Closest thing we've seen to a truly holographic screen from Engadget. And earlier this year, we showed it at InfoComm 2020 and received the Best of Show award for that. So we're very grateful for all of the response to this product so far, and we look forward to hearing more from you about what you think of it. You can arrange, talk to a salesperson to arrange a demo via srdisplay@sony.com. And you can sign up for further notifications at the link there.